Introducing the Miir Pourigami, the world's smallest, most durable, and portable flat pack dripper. Big enough to make a robust cup of coffee, small enough to fit in your back pocket, light enough to forget you're even carrying it. Allow me to explain how we brought the Pourigami to life. The growth of Miir has brought with it a lot of travel. I have found myself building relationships all over the world, from Myanmar and California to Japan and Hong Kong and back home again in Seattle. But the one constant that grounds me, no matter where I wake up, is the ritual of making and enjoying good coffee. And that's harder to pull off than it sounds. We've worked with some of the best coffee roasters in the world, and Miir has become widely known as the premium drinkware solution for these brands worldwide. Quality beans deserve a quality coffee system. The systems I typically encounter on the road are either too heavy, bulky, fragile, wasteful, or just a hassle. So we consulted with our coffee friends, over coffee of course, ideated and innovated, and relying on our knowledge of coffee and trusting our instincts, developed and designed our own system from scratch. And we couldn't be more excited to share with you what's next. The Miir Pourigami is the coffee drinker's new favorite travel dripper. You can now maintain the integrity of the pour over you're used to preparing at home with a simple system made of minimal parts that takes up next to no space. 3 interlocking stainless steel panels make the Pourigami easier to assemble than your origami swan. With just enough weight for stability and designated notches to keep it from sliding off center, and an included pouch allows for easy storage with room to stash filters for the road. So now you can make coffee anywhere, but we didn't stop there with our design innovation. Your cup of coffee is only as good as your beans. Let's talk about storage. A coffee bean's worst enemy is oxygen. That's 20% of our atmosphere. Freshness demands the perfect environment, and the Miir coffee canister offers just that. Our innovative accordion-style seal kicks out oxygen and locks in flavor, and an easy grip, simple twist bezel lid completes the closure. Sitting 6.5 inches tall, weighing just over a pound, and fits a standard 12-ounce bag of beans, the coffee canister's sleek silhouette can outfit any kitchen counter and travel near or far. Miir exists to empower people for a better future. In true product-to-project fashion, every Miir Pourigami and coffee canister contains a give code, a powerful tool that connects you to our giving. Flip your Miir product over to find your give code. Register your give code on miir.com/give and follow along and receive project updates and information related to advocacy, volunteer opportunities, and more. You don't have to travel far for good coffee, but what if you did it anyway? We invite you to back the new Miir Pourigami and coffee canister.